Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure Outlook is open and updated. This avoids missing QR features. Once done, find the email that contains the QR image or attachment. Sometimes it's inline, sometimes as a file. You should also have your phone unlocked with the camera or QR scanner app ready. This step matters because scanning from the screen needs a clear, unobstructed image. Make sure brightness is high and the QR image is fully visible on your monitor. Now open the QR image in Outlook so it fills the preview pane, or open the attachment in the default image viewer. Once visible, enlarge the image and boost screen brightness to improve contrast. This helps scanners detect the pattern. Next, bring your phone close and steady the camera, aligning the QR in the center of the viewfinder. Hold until the scanner chirps or shows the link. If your phone suggests opening a URL or action, review it before tapping. After scanning, your phone will propose an action such as opening a URL or adding contact details. You should confirm the destination and only proceed if it looks legitimate. If the scan doesn't work, try saving the image from Outlook and open it in your phone's Photos app, or take a screenshot and scan that instead. Sometimes image preview compression breaks detection. Also make sure there are no reflections, and try moving closer or using a webcam-based QR reader on your PC as an alternative troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.